Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. And now tap Explore Wallet button. From the homepage of this app you can add payment cards, check quick tips, add passes like transport pass, loyalty and gift card, and then you can go to menu. From menu you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, contactless setup where you can turn on NFC, set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next you can check full list of participating banks, manage your passwords in Password Manager, and next, in your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.